happy Wednesday. How are you guys doing? Today I'm doing my A-5, my minis, and Sunshine's book. I'm going to start with my minis. And I have 25 ones. And I'm going to start with mine. Alright. Yeah. I'm going to start with mine. Hold it. I'm going to finish this one. And I need my paper. I'm going to put in 4 and finish this 2 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one I saved 24. And I'm gonna add, let's see. I'm gonna add in Love is in the Air by Simply Living Saves. Take my dashboard out. And then, I don't know if I'm getting sick again. I think I am. Because I was sick, I think, a month ago. And then my landlord's been sick. And we went and did laundry yesterday. And I don't know if I'm getting sick again from her. But I hope not. This one I'm going to put 4. This is my Chihuahua reindeer. And I'm not even on that paper. 2 and 2. But it is warming up here. It's like in the 60s. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I think it's supposed to rain on Friday. Next is Winter Savings from Angela Marie 888. And these are $1 each. I'll do 3. $3 today. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then next up is, I put all my challenges in there. That's why I couldn't find them last week. Okay. This one's Grammy's Journey from Gracie. And I'm going to make them $1. I'm going to do 3. I'm just Xing them. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then Eva's Budget Your Life. I'm gonna make them $1 this time. And I'm gonna do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope that it's not. I hope it's showing up, but I did 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this one is Angela Marie 888. She meant it to be a tiny, I think, but I'm gonna add 3. And they're $1 each. 1, 2, 3. And then I have a couple more dollars. I'm going to start Simply Living Saves and make them $1 each. And I'll do 2. Okay. $2. And then I'll put the last 2 into this one. So $2. And then that's all the minis. And then I'll do this book's I got from Sunshine and Chaos, Cooking and Budgeting, or Budgeting and Cooking. It's spring, summer, hello, fall, winter. And I have $12 today. And let's see. Do we have? Let's see. We're somewhere up here. The 10th. So let's see how far we get. So 2. I don't think it's showing up. 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. And then I'll just put a 3. And then I'll put the 12 in. 10, 11, 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. And then I'll probably, since February's done, I just have that one. I'm probably going to go back and do December. Yeah, probably. And then now my A-5. I have $40, mostly in ones. And I'm going to start with Saving with Tiffany. And I'm going to do this bottom one. $3. So 1, 2, 3. And then next up is Mindy's Budgeting, her snowman. And I'll do this one. $2. So 1, 2. And then next is Oma Crafts and Budgets. And I'll do this bottom one. $2. 1, 2. And then I'm so cute. Even the Grinch wants to steal me from my Miss Mom budgets. And this one, 7, 5, 6, 7. And then back to the front to my snowman or my penguin. My penguin. I'm gonna do this one. $4. So, oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then next is Budget Better Life. And I'll do this one. $4. Yeah, $4. One, two, three, 4. And then Omar Crafts and Budgets. I'm finishing this one for 5. So in this one, I saved 20, 30, 35, 40. And then, oops. Next is my Chihuahua Winter Challenge. And, oh, I don't know why I'm getting that out. I'm gonna do $5, a 4 and a 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then back to Saving with Tiffany. $3. 1, 2, 3. And Mindy's Budgeting. $2. We'll just finish this one. Maybe 1, 2. Hopefully that's not a 5. $1. Okay. $1. So this one's done. And oops. And this snowman, I saved 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then I don't know if I should chance the scratch. I'm not gonna chance the scratch off. I'm gonna put the last $2 into my Chihuahua. 1, 2. Oops. So that's all the money for these. And then let's see. So I finished Mindy's Snowman, Omar Crafts and Budgets, and one of them, and then mine. And then for each challenge, I put $5 away. Yeah, $5 for each challenge. And that goes for me. I'm going to start putting it in my 1 month ahead, I think. But for now, let's see how much I got. So 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. So I'm going to put 15 away and then put these in my bucket, my little container. Yeah, I'm just going to stick it right here for now. Because this is my 1 month ahead, which I've shown before, but I changed it up a little. These ones were from Elma, from Budgets with Elma, rent and utilities, and then I made these ones. Food, phone. Phone's going to be for my, because I'm on Mint Mobile, and I pay every 6 months. So I'm saving that and for a new phone, if I need one, which my phone's only like a year. I got it like back in May. And then subscriptions, household subscriptions, I just have right now, well, I have HP Inc., which is pretty much for business, and then I have a Stars subscription I got. They had like a year plan. It was $30 for a year, so I have that, and that's not due till September. And that's the only subscriptions I have. And then household items, it's going to be for anything inside. And then rainy day fund, I made this one, and it's my emergency fund. And then personal, which is me. That's how you spell my name. Some people don't spell it like that, but that's how you spell it. And then miscellaneous. So I'm going to start just putting the money here when I complete challenges. And then eventually I'll do a video of me cash stuffing that. That's all I have for today. I'll be back with Tiny's, and then I think I'm just, for my 2K giveaways going on, and it closes on Thursday night at 5 p.m. Mountain Time. So if you want to enter, if you haven't yet, go watch my Monday minis. I forget, we stopped here. So go watch my Monday minis if you want to enter, if you haven't, because it closes on Thursday at 5 p.m. Mountain Time, and then I'll be picking the winner on Friday or Saturday. The winners. I'll see you in the next video.